Hi guys, today we are going to be playing Mukbang Corner. I have a lot of money, if you see right up there, dollar sign. I'm about to eat. Let's go order our stuff. I want eggs and spicy eggs and spicy ramen. Then we got cola and then I want some tacos and dessert for that. And then I'm gonna have spicy gnocchi, mozzarella sticks, and onion boil, and then sea grapes and black gnocchi. Okay, let's serve. I already know this is gonna be very, very spicy and yummy. Okay, now let's eat. First, we're gonna have Vera tacos. It's lime sauce, why he gotta be in my business? And then, yummy onion oil. Now we're gonna try the spicy gnocchi. Hey, why is she up in my business? Like, I'm trying to do something. That cheese pull was so good, guys. Now we're gonna eat my eggs. Now for this one, I'm gonna have to make it. That was so good. And that is